We have taken y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4x plus 5. 4x plus 5. Here after getting factors x minus 5, x plus 1, we got the zeros of minus 5 will become 5 and the plus 1 will become minus 1. Those are the zeros of this equation. Here if we take x minus 1, y minus 1 is equal to, we have taken in it, this is minus 1 or x minus 1, that's why we have taken minus 2. X plus 5, that's why we have taken 6. X on the x coordinates minus 2 becomes y coordinate as 1. X coordinate minus 1 becomes, isn't it? Minus 1 becomes
0 y coordinate
10. 0 becomes y coordinate 5. If you take x coordinate 1, y coordinate becomes 2. 2 becomes 1. 2 becomes 1. 3 becomes 1. 4 becomes 5. 5 becomes 0. 6 becomes 1. Then we have plot that. Graph on the graph. See it graph. Then on the graph, take it your graph. We have drawn here minus 2 and 1. We will get that graph. Here second method is x square minus 4x plus 5. Previously also I have told, so listen it. I have taught you in logarithms 0.23 and 2.3 in 5 models. Logarithms, listen it, don't talk, remaining people. In the logarithms I have taught you 0.23 and 2.3 into 5 methods. Here I am gonna teach you 4 methods. This is the first method, second method, third method, fourth method. Here it is taught in schools. First what we have taken, y square, y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. Here the x coordinates minus 4 to, you will have to plus 4. Then we will get any graph in a perfect way. That is, we will have to take minus 4 and plus 4 up to plus 4. Plus 4. Here, equation, what is this x square? X square is equal to minus 4 into minus 4, 16. Minus 3 into 3, 9. Minus 2 into 2, 4. Minus 1 into 1, plus 1. 0 into 0. 1 into 1. 2 into 2, 4. X square becomes 16 to 16. 3 3s are 9 here, 4 4s are 16. Next we have taken minus 4x. Next we have taken minus 4x. Minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. Minus 3 into plus 3. That is minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12. Minus 4 into minus 3. What is remainder? Minus 8. Minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4. Here 0, 0. 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into 1 into minus 4. 1 into minus 4 minus 4. Minus 4 into, array don't talk, why do you take array here what you are doing? What you are doing here, I am doing, you are talking always. Don't become 5 minutes or 10 minutes. What are you doing here? You are taking in the place of 2, minus 4 into 2, what is that? Minus 8. Don't talk. In x place 3. 3 means 4 into minus 4 into 3, minus 12. Minus, array don't talk. Here, what is this? 4. That is 5 or 4. We have taken. Okay, leave it this. Next 5. What is 5 here? Y axis, y card. C is your y. Y is equal to 5. 5. You will have to add this x square minus 4x plus 5. That is this equation. Don't talk. X square minus 4x plus 5. X square minus 4x plus 5. It becomes x square 16 minus 4x plus 16 plus 5. Then we got y is equal to 37. Next to x square 9 minus 4x 12 plus 5 y gives 26. Then x square 4 minus 4x 8 plus 5. Total it is given 17. Next x square 1 x square minus 4x. This is because 4 1 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to how much? 10. 10 has given 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Next x square 1 minus 4x minus 4x is equal to minus 4x. 4x means where are we? Where are we? Don't you know? Minus 4 into minus 4 and 5 plus 1 5 6 minus 4 2. Here 4x square 4 minus 4x minus 8 and 5 5 plus 4 don't take 5 plus 4 9 plus 9 minus 8 is equal to plus 1. Then x square 3 3s are 9 and y 5 9 plus 5 14 minus 12 is don't take y to take 2. Next x square 16 minus 16 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Here either observe it. Why do board on your head? Raise your head. X is minus 4, y is equal to 36. X is minus 3 and y is 26. X is minus 2 and y is 17. Here minus 1 10. Here x 0, y 5. Next x1 y2 don't talk. Next x2 y1. Next x3 y2. Next 4 and 5. You will have to draw that. What is the first point? What is the first point here we have taken? Minus 2 minus what is that taken we have? Here what is taken? 2 1. This is array don't take. This is 2. This is 1. This is the vertex. 2 1 next to 1 2. 1 is here 2. Array don't take. Array why do this is 2. This is 1. This is vertex point. Next to 2 1 no 2. 1 is here. 2 is here. 2 is here. Then 3 2. 3 is 3 x3 y2 y2 3 2. This is point. Then we will have to plot this whole diagram in the second method. Don't talk Pranavi, don't talk. This is it is going on. Why to talk? This is the second method. What is next third method? What is the third method? What is third method? Here we have taken x square minus 4x plus 5. A is equal to how much? 1. B is equal to minus 4. C is equal to how much? Dunnapoto.